Indigo has now submitted their response to the committee formed by the DGCA. Indigo CEO and officials have put forth their updates regarding number 1, flight restoration, number 2, recruitment plan, pilots and crew, cancellation refunds, baggage return, timely information to passengers, rerouting after cancellation. These are all the aspects on which Indigo has submitted their response to the committee. For more on this, my colleague Tanushka is now joining me live. Tanushka, of course, after the mayhem caused by thousands of Indigo airlines being cancelled, Indigo has now given its response to multiple queries which pertains from flight restoration to the refunds of the passengers. What more can you tell us on this at this point of time, and when will this whole Indigo issue will be resolved?
Indigo CEO Peter Elbers and senior officials of Indigo were summoned by the Director General of Civil Aviation to submit a comprehensive data-heavy report with respect to the entire flight operations and the major disruptions that have happened in the skies over the past couple of days. Now, Indigo, the CEO, was present at the DGCA headquarters in Delhi, and all the other officials came in as well, and they've presented their report to the DGCA. Now, the DGCA is to, of course, get back to Indigo as well as give their own response to the report that has been submitted. But what we do understand is that Indigo was quizzed on, some several key areas by DGCA with respect to flight operations, with respect to flight restoration as well, pilot and crew recruitment as well, and cancellation refunds. What is the update with respect to the entire cancellations and refunds? What is the update on baggage returns, and timely information to passengers as well, as in are passengers now being informed within time that their flight is either delayed or cancelled, because earlier that was not happening. And the sixth being rerouting after cancellation. Are passengers being informed if they're putting onto an alternative flight after the cancellation or not? So Indigo has submitted their response to the DGCA with respect to these 6 key factors, and have gotten back to them especially with a revised flight operations schedule.